Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation guide for the NXZM ATSE. Before starting, please disconnect the power supply and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare appropriately sized wires, electric screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, scissors, insulated gloves. Before beginning the installation, carefully read the instructions to ensure the installation environment meets the requirements. Confirm that there are no flammable or explosive gases, and that the environment is dry. Ensure the installation location does not contain corrosive gases to prevent damage to the metal parts and insulation materials of the circuit breaker. Next, perform a visual inspection of the switch, check that all standard accessories are included in the product packaging, and inspect the product for any transportation damage or defects to ensure it matches the order. Before proceeding with the formal installation or maintenance, it is crucial to ensure that the circuit where the transfer switch will be installed is completely powered off. Then select an adequate space for installation to facilitate subsequent operation and maintenance. If a display module needs to be mounted on the cabinet door, you may choose to cut a hole in the door and install the display module. Before starting the wiring steps, ensure the wire cross-section is appropriate for the product's current by consulting the instructions in the manual. When wiring, ensure the phase sequence of the main circuit and the voltage signal sampling lines match. Follow the product's wiring diagram for normal, backup power, and load connections. Finally, tighten the wires using an electric screwdriver set to the specified torque value. Ensuring the correct torque is essential as it guarantees the stability and safety of the connections. After completing these steps, the wiring is done. Perform both manual and automatic tests to ensure the controller functions properly. Rotate the handle left and right to ensure the switch function is normal. After powering up, use the setup buttons on the display panel to navigate through settings. Use the left-right keys to page through, the up-down keys to adjust parameter values, and the confirm return button to enter or exit the setup interface. Set the protection parameters according to actual application requirements. If you encounter problems, refer to the fault analysis and troubleshooting guide. We will introduce diagnostic methods and solutions for several common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.